This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for August 27th. Well, corn struggled to a slightly lower close yesterday. We did have the announcement of the sale of 100,000 metric tons of corn to Colombia. It also appears as if the world supply may be shrinking, as yesterday saw CONAB reduce their estimate of the 2021 Brazilian corn production down to 116 million metric tons. That's down 2 million from the USDA's latest estimate. Soybeans were lower yesterday as they are pressured by a report that the EPA has sent their annual biofuel blending mandates to the White House for review. It appears that they are recommending a lower 21 mandate. Not all the news was negative, as in the wonderful world of exports, we had fresh business pop up yesterday with the sale of 133,000 metric tons of beans to China for the sale of another 132,000 to an unknown destination. Wheat prices seem to be driven by overseas news yesterday. Paris milling wheat was up about 17 cents a bushel, which led to prices around the world moving higher as well. It should be noted that here in the U.S., our hard red winter wheat is roughly $20 per metric ton higher than what other exporter countries are offering. The International Grains Council cut their forecast for the 21-22 global wheat crop to reflect a diminishing outlook for Russia, Canada, and the United States. They decreased the world wheat crop outlook by a total of 6 million metric tons, dropping their projection down to 782 million. Cotton was mired in an extremely tight trading range and closed just a bit lower for the session. At the finish, we had December futures 34 points lower, closing at 94.16. Livestock futures were all lower yesterday as well. At the close, we had October live cattle 70 cents lower, while October feeder cattle were down $1 even at the closing bell. October lean hog futures lost ground as well, finishing 85 cents lower for the day. Class 3 milk futures broke back towards their recent lows. At the finish, we had September futures 29 points lower, settling at 17.07. On the other hand, meat cutout values were all higher in yesterday's trade. Choice box beef ended the day up 38 cents, closing at $347.27. Select boxes were $3.90 higher, settling at $319.59. Box beef price momentum seems to be slowing slightly, as much of the Labor Day demand has already been filled, and some demand has probably been destroyed due to the rapid rise in prices that we've experienced the past couple of weeks. Pork carcass cutout values had a huge move higher yesterday. They closed up $6.16, settling at $116.40 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.